Thank you. My name is Felipe Tatilo from 2MB3, and now I will presentation about the IT influence in business. A background. In this era, computer is entered the new stage, namely as a facility that can provide competitive advance for the company, especially those engaged in the business field. And the importance of information system is as one of the main components that must be considered by companies who want to win in business competition. B. Formulation of the problem. 1. What are the benefits of information technology? 2. How is impact of information technology developed? 3. How is the application of information and communication technology? 4. How is the e-commerce understanding? 5. What is the role of technology in trading? 6. What are the constraints of trading through an internet network? C. The purpose of paper. This paper I made to briefly describe the information technology, the business world, including its benefit, impact, application, roles, and what is drive. A. Information technology benefits. Along with the times, technology is almost inseparable from human life. It's not unreasonable because one uses technology because human beings have a reason in mind. With reason, people can find a way out of problem faced. They desire to live better, safer, and other desires. Technology development occur because we use our mind and to solve every problem we encounter. B. Impact of the information in the technology development. As for the impact of development of information technology, we have felt so far. Among them are positive impact and negative impact. A positive impact one, facilitate the community in communicating globally. 2. Facilitate the community to daily work quickly with a software device that is growing and easy to use by many people. 3. Profitable companies. Many field use information technology service. B. Negative impact. 1. The rise of the cybercrime or crime in the cyberspace. 2. Because of the case of information that we taken, minors can easily access sites with adult content. 3. Generate the traits to tend to be lazy. C. Application of information and communication technology. In the business world of information and communication technology is utilized to trade electronically or known as e-commerce. E-commerce is trading using the internet communication internet network. D. Definition of e-commerce. E-commerce, according to Kalakota and Winston, can be reviewed in following four perspectives. 1. From a communication perspective, e-commerce is delivery of goods, service, information, or payment to the computer network or to other electronic equipment. 2. From a business process perspective, e-commerce is an application of the technology that leads to the automation of the transaction and the workflow. 3. From the service perspective, e-commerce is a tool that satisfies the wishes in company, customer, and management to cut service when improving the quality of goods and increase the speed delivery of service. From an online perspective, e-commerce provides the ability to buy and sell goods or information to the internet and other online tools. E. The role of the technology in trading. The role of communication technology in the field of business and trade is the spearhead. Before information technology market, business actor must issue large enough capital develop their interest in their business, to rent a place, to pay employees for the cost of promotion and other of the part. F. The internet trade constraints. The obstacles arising from the internet trade include 1. High costs, 2. Security issues, 3. Unstabilized or unavailable software, 4. Not all companies participate in the trade growth through electronic network. G. Communication security system in e-commerce. Security system in the computer world began to be a serious concern for the research and information technology practitioners since the discovery of computer network technology. The cause of the development of issues in the field is due to the phenomenon of data transmission to transmitting media. The raw data of a computer transmitted to another computer is essentially prone to interference from third parties. So it's the required specialty strategies to be allowed to things happening. H. Type of e-commerce trading. Electronic trading will be benefit if we distinguish two types of e-commerce to occur with entities outside to company boundaries. 1. Business to business, a business to customer. 2. Business to business. And this conclusion, information technology can be applied in the trading world through the electronic commerce, now e-commerce. E-commerce is trading between sellers and buyers using the internet communication network. There are two types e-commerce trading that are business to consumer and business to business. Both types trades benefit both producer and consumer. Thank you.